Excuse me, are you a business owner?
Yes.
Do you work hard to get reviews on Google?
Yes.
Is your business not getting the credit it deserves on Google Maps when people search for a product or service like yours?
Yes.
I'm David with 915 Web Design, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it is that you can get the most out of your reviews, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can get more of them. And if you watch to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get a cool QR code like this one, so people can leave you reviews when they're at your business, so you can improve your results on Google Maps. If you like videos like this and you want to see more of them, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, why are reviews important? Reviews are important because they help build trust in Google's eyes, and that's used to determine the position on Google Maps. If you want people to find you when they look for a business like yours, it's important for you to find out how it is that you can get more reviews and how you can leverage them to come up higher on Google Maps. You can get more of them by making it easier for people to leave them for you by using something like a QR code or some type of manual outreach to find out what people think about your service. And as an added bonus, if you can get your customers to leave you a review with the picture, it's going to add so much value. If you can get your customers to do that, you can thank me later. To get better results on Google Maps through your reviews, you also need to learn how it is that you should be replying to all those reviews you're getting. Don't be like some business owners that just reply with, "Thanks a lot for the review. It means a lot." If that's you, stop doing that now. Instead, take your time, reply to the review, and use keywords that are related to your business and the service that you provided to that customer that you want to get found for on Google Maps. It can get tricky and take time to reply to those reviews correctly, but if you do, it's going to add so much value. Now, I know you might not have time to do that. If you need help, contact us. We might be able to help you out. What about when you get a bad review? When you get a bad review, don't fret, because there are no bad reviews. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, you heard that right. Bad reviews are just opportunities for you to show people what your business is about. If somebody's not happy with the service or product that you provided and you address it, people are going to see that as something positive. So don't worry about it. Show people you're a conscientious business and they're going to appreciate that. Don't reply with, "You never came here. You're not a customer. I don't remember you." I mean, that just looks very petty. So keep in mind how it is that you can leverage your reviews to get better results on Google Maps. Well, we're at the end, and I promised you that I was going to give you a QR code for your Google My Business. So to get your QR code, just take a screenshot right now and go to the link and fill out that form, and we'll email you with instructions on how it is that you can get that custom QR code so you can start getting more reviews and ranking higher on Google Maps. So the next one, this is David with 915 Web Design. See you later.